wife, and the mother of the 2 boys.
Hi, I'm David Elliott. I'm playing Joe Keller in All My Sons, a man who wrestles with all sorts of demons in his life.
What happened was, when I got home from the penitentiary, the kids really got interested in me. You know, I was like the expert on the jail situation.
Well, Ma?
Did you take a bag from under the sink?
Oh, yeah? I put it in the pail.
Well, get it out of the pail. That's my potatoes.
I thought it was garbage.
Will you do me a favor, Joe? Don't be helpful.
Bert's here! Bert's here! I don't remember my line, but Bert's here! Where's Tommy?
Her father,
No.
she feels
No!
that way.
A father is a father!
Sleeps. We're dumb, Chris. Dad and I are stupid people. We don't know anything. You have to protect us.
You're silly. What's there to be afraid of? Just get her in a better mood.
Joe, you're gonna sleep all night? Yes. All right.
She's like,
He was afraid, but I know he meant no harm. He believed that they'd hold up 100%. That's a mistake, but it ain't murder. You mustn't feel that way about him.
Word.
I got plenty to say.
It's all resolved. Acting!